JK News Network. You're watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news covered. If you have taken a loan for farming and its related work, then you will not get the benefit of ex gratia from the government. That is, you will not get the difference between interest on interest and simple interest. The Finance Ministry has clarified this point. The Finance Ministry issued a question and answer saying that relief will not be given on agriculture related activities such as tractors and crops. The government has decided that whether or not you have taken the moratorium on the loan, there will be a difference between the interest on it and the simple interest on it. Ayaz Sadiq, a former Speaker of the National Assembly who opened the case for the release of Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman, will soon face Imran Khan and the army atrocities. They will have to face the penalty of telling the truth. In Imran Khan's government, Information Minister Sibli Faraz has started threatening. He has said that he cannot be pardoned for the mistake he has done and will be punished. Pakistan's F-16 aircraft was shot down by Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman of the Indian force responding to Pakistan's audacity after a surgical strike. While the RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad has come to the High Court to leave the jail, on the other hand, CBI can go to the Supreme Court to prevent him from being released. In fact, Lalu Prasad has been granted bail by the Jharkhand High Court in an illegal withdrawal case from the Chaibasa treasury. But during its hearing, the CBI said that Lalu Prasad has not spent even a day in a jail for illegal withdrawal from the Chaibasa treasury. The CBI had cited sections 427 of CRPC behind it. Under this, if one gets punished many times in one time of case, then after the completion of the first sentence, there is a provision for running the second sentence. Governor Draupadi Murmu has instructed to fill up the vacant posts of teachers in the University of the state at the same time, and also said that the process of pending promotions of teachers should also be completed soon. The governor gave this instruction while reviewing the academic calendar of all universities on Thursday through video conference. During the review, the vice chancellors have suggested to apply the same curriculum, one-time examination and one-time test resulted method in the universities of the state. The governor also directed to make a provision for giving a fixed honorable amount to bail-based teachers working in universities and colleagues keeping in mind Corona. It is being claimed on social media that before the Indian cricket team's tour of Australia, BCCI has given a tribute to Dhoni. It is claimed that just before the tour, Dhoni's photo has been put in the cover image on Twitter handle of BCCI. We first checked BCCI's official Twitter handle to confirm the claim. It is true that Dhoni has a cover photo on BCCI's Twitter handle. However, this cover was put on 16 August by the BCCI. So that's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.